हेलो टिंकू, कैसा लग रहा है? हाय नील, आई एम श्योर बोथ ऑफ यू मस्ट बी ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड यू शुड बी. आई कैन इमेजिन कैसे पेरेंट्स होंगे आप लोग. एंक्शियस, अफेक्शनेट, बाय द बुक एंड एवरीथिंग, यू नो. बट जस्ट रिलैक्स. It's a natural thing, and I'm sure the child will give you lots and lots of happiness. Don't worry too much, don't fret too much. And Timku, my little Timku bringing another Timku into this world. मुझे तो बार बार सोच के it's beyond imagination. But not beyond imagination also. I know आप कैसे mother होगे. You'll be very righteous. You'll teach him the correct things. नहीं ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. I know you're going to do that. Okay. I can visualize. I can imagine many things. But there's just one thing I can't imagine is आप उसके लिए गाना कौन सा गाओगे? मैंने तो आपके लिए गा लिया, नन्ही गली सोने चली. चीकू के लिए था चंदन सा पलना. इसके लिए कौन सा गाओगे? So think of that and relax. Love you both. Now love you three, all three of you. And Neil, many congratulations to your parents. I am sure आपकी मम्मा तो रात दिन यही सोचती होंगी कि मैं कब पहुंचूं उन लोगों के पास. And that is the that's uppermost in my mind also कि कब लॉकडाउन खुलेगा, कब मैं आपके पास पहुंचूंगी. लव यू. टेक केयर. लव यू ऑल थ्री ऑफ यू.
रूपांजलि कैसे माँ बनेगी? मेरे ख्याल में वो स्ट्रिक्ट मदर बनेगी, अनुशासन वाली. अच्छी बात है. आइडियल माँ बनेगी वो. और कितना अच्छा होगा उसका. मुझे तो अभी से जेलस फीलिंग हो रहा है. बोले मम्मी कॉन्टिनेंटल फूड खाने हैं, चलो बना देते हैं. माँ इंडियन फूड, चलो कुकीज़, ब्राउनीज, जो चाहिए बस बना देगी मम्मी ने. बहुत अच्छी माँ बनेगी. पर एक बात है, आप लोग ये बेबी शावर सिर्फ मदर के लिए क्यों करते हो? ये तो फादर को भी करना चाहिए ना. मैं कर देती हूँ. मेरा बेटा जो है वो बेस्ट बेटा है, वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट बेटा. तो वो वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट फादर भी बनेगा. बिल्कुल परफेक्ट आइडियल पेरेंट बनेंगे ये दोनों. भगवान इन दोनों को खूब खुश रखे, खूब खुश रखे.
Congratulations and celebrations. Hello Timki and Neil, heartiest congratulations. And this is a wonderful idea by Chiku to celebrate your God Bharai in this virtual platform. Timki, I'm sure you're going to make a fantastic mother. You're really going to be very kind and affectionate, and you're not going to be very strict, and you will enjoy being with your son. You will play around and fool around with him, and he is lucky that he is going to have parents like Timki and Neil. So heartiest congratulations. I'm sure you'll be safe and healthy, and look who's here to meet me today. My God, what a surprise. Pammi auntie.
Hello Archana Bhenji. How are you? की हाल है?
I'm fine.
भैन जी मैं सोचा आई वॉज गोइंग बाय, मैं क्या मैं एमजी जी ड्रॉप करती हैं मीट दी प्रिंसिपल एंड यू नो टायरिंग टाइम COVID-19 एंड ऑल. मैं क्या जी की हो रहा, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग अर्चना?
Are we are celebrating Timki, my niece. She's expecting, so we are celebrating her baby shower, and she's in Amsterdam, so we are celebrating it on the ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म।
एक ही बेबी शार
Yeah.
ਉਹ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੜਕੀ ਪਾਣੀ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਠੰਡੇ ਮੁਲਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਾਰ ਲੈਣ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੈ
नहीं।
ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ अर्चना बहन जी
नहीं नहीं, ये वो वाला शार नहीं है, ये गोद भराई जो हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, गोद भराई, वो फंक्शन हो रहा है।
ਉਹ ਲੈ, ਗੋਦ ਭਰਾਈ
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਉਹ ਤੇ ਦੱਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ OMG ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਦੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਟਰਮਨੋਲੋਜੀ ਹੈ ਗੋਦ ਭਰਾਈ ਜੀ ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਈਸ ਟਿਮਕੀ ਬੇਟੇ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਆਪਣਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੇਟੇ ਦਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਬੜੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੋਈ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਬੇਟੇ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਲਿਟਲ ਹਰੀ ਚ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਆਲ ਦ ਬੈਸਟ ਟਿਮਕੀ टेक केयर बाय चंगा अर्चना बहन जी
अच्छा
see
जी,
you
सत श्री अकाल, thank you. So Timki, that's Pami auntie. She's so excited just listening that coming to know that Godh Bharai function is on. And now my husband is here. He wants to share his thoughts with you. Over to Sangram.
hello Neil and Timki congratulations a lovely function wonderful to see Chiku organizing it we wish you all the best and both of you be safe take care
And be healthy and happy. Congratulations. God bless you both.
all the best
Love you.
Hi Timki, I have only few things to say. No planning, no strategy, just enjoy the journey and go with the flow. And Mother knows best. And never spare the rod. Bye. And to add, I think you will be a lot like me, and I'm waiting for your kids to grow up so that one day I can sit back and give you gyan about how to be a good mother.
আমার অনেক আদর নিও আর ছোট্ট বাবাকে অনেক আদর দিও ভালো থেকো সুস্থ থেকো আমি জানি তুমি বেস্ট মম হবে নীলকমল বেস্ট ড্যাড হবে
Since the time I've known you, Timki, you've always come across as someone who's extremely dependable and responsible. I've seen you make that extra effort, you've gone that extra mile to make a person feel special. And I think behind your wry humor is a very sensitive and caring person, and you're the go-to person for so many. These are all the qualities of a great mother, and I have absolutely no doubt that you're going to make a wonderful mother. And well, my advice to you would be to take it easy on yourself, enjoy it more, and make lots of memories, take lots of photographs and videos, and the face passes in a blur, so enjoy it to the fullest. And well, all the best to you and Neil.
टिमकी कैसी मम्मी होगी? First of all, dearest Timki, congratulations to the great mom to be. You're going to be awesome, interesting and funky. But if the baby smiles at Neil first, then I know it's very unfair and you will go on a thinking spree. But never mind, be relaxed and calm and try to be less tension free. And don't pinch the baby, remember, to make him cry. And be your awesome self, Timki, a lovely, sparkly, bubbly, sweet little Timki. So now, and then sing this song. This is for you. So all the best.
गॉड ब्लेस यू आप खुश रहो तंदुरुस्त रहो और आने वाले बच्चे की आप दोनों को बहुत बहुत मुबारक, और बच्चा हेल्दी हो, खुश रहने वाला हो, आपको सबको खुश रखे, आपका ख़ानदान रोशन रहो, और आपके जो मम्मी पापा हैं वो बहुत खुश होंगे, उनको कितना अच्छा लग रहा होगा ये सुन के, और देखेंगे तो और भी अच्छा लगेगा। और बस यही कह सकती हूँ कि अपना ध्यान रखना बेटे, और बहुत प्यार देना, उसको प्यार से रखना, और डांटना नहीं, आप डांटते बहुत हो वैसे। और नील को भी मेरा बहुत बहुत प्यार, आशीर्वाद। ओके, गॉड ब्लेस यू, दोनों को आप खुश रहो, तंदुरुस्त रहो। थैंक
Hi Timki, hi Neil. Congratulations to you both. First of all, I am very very happy. Of course, we all are. As far as you both being parents is concerned, what kind of parents you both are going to be, I think that you both are going to be absolutely wonderful parents because both of you have the same basic qualities, honesty and compassion. And I love it because these days people have become more like robots. So I'm happy that you both are going to raise human beings, and that too wonderful human beings. So, yes, you both are going to be amazing parents, and you're going to raise amazing kids. And I just can't wait for you both to start the journey. Of course, we all are there to spoil them, which you can keep a check on occasionally. So, all the best, and love you both.
From college lovers to a married couple and now parents, you guys have been on a beautiful journey and you've been amazing partners, so there's no doubt that you're going to be amazing parents as well. Coco is going to be very 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 lucky to have you both as his parents. Bodhi as a mother, I think she's going to be extremely practical and very reasonable. She's not going to be like, "Kya tum science mein fail ho gaye?" Instead, she's going to understand and have a conversation about it rather than just reacting to it. Bhai might actually get a little disturbed if his son fails in science, which is why I feel that Bhai and Bodhi are going to create an amazing balance as parents. Also, I think Bodhi, she's going to be the right amount of strict and fun. So again, that's such an amazing quality to have as a parent. So yeah, I know for a fact that you guys are going to be extremely cool parents, and I think I have a little bit of experience in seeing the parent side of the two of you. So yeah, and here's a little dedication to Bodhi from your future son. You'll figure it out.
तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है, ओ माँ।
So congratulations to the both of you, and I love you Puchi, I love you Bhai, and I love you Coco.
Hi Rupanjali, many congratulations once again to both of you. We're all looking forward excitedly for little Potol to come into our lives. Peepa Pika is also super excited to have a little brother amongst them. You're going to turn out to be an amazing mother, undoubtedly, singing the sweetest lullaby and baking the best of cakes, I'm sure. But what I'm looking forward to is who among you and Bhai is going to play the bad cop and the good cop?
Hidem, congratulations, a big congratulations to you and Neil. I'm sure you guys will be great parents and you'll be a super amazing mom. And I know for a fact that you will not be very strict. I just get that feeling. And all the very best for this new journey, this new beginning, in this new phase of parenthood. So here's a short poem for you on this whole experience of becoming a mother. I hope you enjoy it and probably can relate to it. So here it goes. माँ की अनुभूति, किसका भाव मानस में शशि सा आ चमका, है क्या रहस्य बतला दे कोई इस अंतर मन का, है क्या रहस्य बतला दे कोई इस अंतर मन का, बस तेरे आने की आहट से, अपनी सोच की मुस्कुराहट से, बस तेरे आने की आहट से, अपनी सोच की मुस्कुराहट से, सरल तरल नैनों में किसकी उज्जवल छवि छाई, किसने मेरे प्राण कोख में अपनी तस्वीर बनाई, किसने मेरे प्राण कोख में अपनी तस्वीर बनाई. I hope you enjoyed. Congratulations once again.
Hi. I have just one thing to say. If he ever grows up to ask you, क्रिया किसे कहते हैं? Don't worry. Just give him some time. He'll turn out to be fine. एकदम झकास.
हेलो टिमकी और नील. क्या बोलूँ, मामा बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ वीडियो बना रहे हैं आप लोग, ठीक है ना, तो इसलिए आई एम इन दिस वीडियो, ठीक है ना. सो एनीवे, अभी तो यू पीपल मस्ट बी ऑल प्लानिंग फॉर द न्यू एंट्री, ठीक है ना. सो एनीवे, we wish you all the best, and everything will be fine. Hopefully, if things turn out all right here, then Mama will be able to join you people and help you out. But you know how things are. But anyway, let's hope things work out. And I just can't imagine both of you, becoming parents.
I know.
Okay. So anyway, that's the way it is, and well, all the best. And of course, people are working from home, so you should be, generally speaking, you should be safe. Okay. Okay, all the best, and
Okay.
all the best. Okay?
Yeah, here's my angutha also. Okay.